The most important part of the day is the Japa time. The 2 golden hours of the day when we should let go of everything else and give our undivided, wholehearted attention to the uttering of the holy name and hearing it very attentively. So, how do we do this? I will tell you a simple acronym, L.E.T.G.O. Why I make acronyms? Because with acronym it becomes easy to at least remember, and the application will eventually follow. First is L, leave ego. Hiranyakashipu thought, I am in control of everything. When Prahlad did not agree with his father, Hiranyakashipu got wild and he lost his cool head. Similarly, when we all are ready to leave our ego, then our mind will be peaceful. Because we are not in control. To me, Sarveshwareshwara Rajendra Kumara, it is said. Krishna is Sarveshwareshwara. He is the Ishvara of all the Ishvaras. Tam Ishvaranam Paramamaheshwara. So, let us leave that false ego of thinking ourselves to be the ultimate controller. When we try to control people and situations, we become frustrated and mind becomes preoccupied with it. Secondly, E means expectation free. Pandavas, headed by Yudhishthira Maharaj, in the mood of a servant, they took up the rule of the world. They became kings of the world. And when Krishna left this world and went back to his abode, they were also ready to renounce the world. So they were completely free from all expectations. If they were told to sit on the throne, they accepted the throne. If they were told to quit the throne, they quit the throne. They had no expectations from anyone or anything, Pandavas. So when we are free from expectation, then mind is at ground level. But when we hold expectations from others, why you didn't do this for me, why you didn't do that for me, those expectations preoccupy our mind also. Thirdly, T means think like a spectator, like an observer in this world. Just like, for example, if you go to a shopping mall, you look around and see the things there, but you don't think you own them. You think like a spectator, like observer only. Like Janak Maharaj was like that. He was aware fully that although I am king of the world, still I don't possess anything, I don't own anything. Everything is around me. I am aloof from them. Like a lotus untouched by the muddy pool of water around them. Like that one should remain aloof from this world while living in the world. Think like a spectator, means like an observer. So what is the advantage of doing this? Then you don't become entangled with anything in this world. You know that things are existing all around you in this world. We come into this world, stay for some period of time, then we quit the scene from the world. With empty hands we come, with empty hands we go. Those who think like this, it's a truth, it's a fact, it's a reality, then we are free from entanglement. So think like a spectator. And then G, God is the doer, we are only an instrument. This is a very, very important thing. If we think I am the doer, during the chanting time, our mind will get into a plan-making mode. Because I am the doer, I have to do it properly. And I'll do this, and then if this doesn't work, I will do like that. And mind keeps on planning. But when we know God is the doer, I am only an instrument. For example, if I batter the door of somebody's house, he opens the door. Generally we say, Krishnadas opened the door. We say like that. We don't say Krishnadas' right hand opened the door, or right hand, 2 fingers opened the door. We don't say like that. Everybody in this world is a part and parcel of Krishna. Whatever the part and parcel does, it is only possible because the part and parcel has a connection to Krishna. If you cut off the connection, they can't do anything. So therefore, because we all are doing something wonderful by our connection with Krishna, we should always think Krishna is the doer, and by my connection, I am an instrument in his hands. Nimitta matram bhavasape sacha. So by thinking like this, we will not get into plan-making mode. So, because Krishna is the original, he is the doer, so we'll think of him. So God is the doer, we are only an instrument. And O means own nothing. If something is given to you by somebody, say somebody gave you a bike to use, after a month they are coming and asking you back, you should give it back to them. Thank you for 1 month you gave me. Not that you say, oh, the bike is so good, can I keep it with myself? If you ask, we become attached to the bike, isn't it? Or you left the bike outside without locking, somebody stole it, you say, oh really, 1 month is past, I forgot where I kept it. And the bike is gone. So don't let it be stolen, don't break the bike, don't become possessive of the bike. When it is given, take it. When it is asked back, give it back. That's how everything should be accepted in this world. Own nothing. So when we don't own nothing doesn't mean you are irresponsible. When it is given to you, take care of it responsibly. But always be conscious that I own nothing. Everything is owned by Krishna. So these are the 5 things. Let go. If you adopt this let go formula, we can peacefully be available to chant without any distraction. So what did I say? L? Leave ego. E? Expectation. So leave ego is Hiranyakashipu should leave ego. We should tell him. And we are also having some mentality similar, so we have to leave ego. And E? Expectation free, like Pandavas. T? Think like a spectator, like Janak Maharaj. Think like a spectator, like Janak Maharaj. And G? God is the doer, we are only instrument in his hands. Like the 2 fingers are only instruments. The person is the doer. So we are like part and parcel instruments. We try to do something, but we are connected to the Lord, so we are able to do. So Lord is the doer, God is the doer. And O? Own nothing. Everything is owned by the Lord. So when we let go of everything and just pick up the beads and address the Lord, and my dear Lord, you are my master, I am your servant eternally. I am supposed to be with you and I have turned away from you. Please purify me, uplift me and accept me. So then we are free to chant the holy name without any ropes tying us and keeping us bound. So during the chanting time, mind should be available freely to hear the sound and concentrate on the spiritual sound vibration to really get purified. And not let the mind become intertwined or entangled with any of these 5 items. So then the chanting of the holy name will be effective, productive, purposeful and focused, and it will do the desired effect of Cheto Darpana Maharjanam. Harinam Prabhu ki